Hello, today you're looking at a JWI continuous belt electric sludge dryer brought to you by Lanco. This unit has been fully refurbished here at Lanco. In this video, we're going to go around and show you all the features we've added here. If you start here, we have a new stainless steel fume scrubber with a manometer here. Go over, we've added a new box here for you. If you look up here at the controls, you can see we can adjust the conveyor speed. We have a start, run, and off, and an emergency stop switch as well. Continuing on, we have a stainless steel hopper here, and we have increased the capacity so you can add more in. Coming back here, we have two 1-horsepower motors with DC drives. This sludge dryer is all wired in at 480 volts. Although you can't see it, we have rebuilt the stainless steel auger inside. We'll come down here, you can see the belt. Stainless steel as well. And underneath we have a stainless steel catch tray just in case there's any drips. This sludge dryer we have wired in at 480 volts. We'll turn it on for you here so you can hear it run. See the manometer increase? As this slowly heats up, the auger, once it reaches temperature, will turn on the machine. If you're interested in this unit, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day. Now that this sludge dryer is heating up, we wanted to show you a little video of the inside. As you can see, the belt's slowly turning there. Again, that speed is adjustable by way of the control box. If you look up under here, you can see all of the burners turned on and red hot, ready to go. We'll come up here, you can see the auger shaft slowly turning here, allowing everything to fall into the machine. If you're interested in this unit, give us a call, 616-887-8300.